Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As-salatu wa salam ala Rasulillah. In today's lesson, I would like to show you some problems in advanced tool while we are modeling and making drawings that we face some problems. And the first problem is that sometimes when we have a plate or a stiffener in the modeling, but it will not shown in drawings. So stay with me to solve this problem. Let's try this one. Let me first change this UCS to view so I can get a 3D view for this drawing also. I'll choose everything and I will make numbering from output numbering, and as usual I use this one and this one and this one maybe. Okay, so I want to start from 1. So let's say apply and OK. So now everything is OK. We have numbering for this structure. OK. After that, I select this one and from drawing style, or let me show you my drawing style, which is which we can. Let me just open this drawing style. Yeah, from here, from user, I used I make a drawing style. By the way, it's for sale. If you want to get this one, it's for, only $150. You can contact me with my number at any time if you want. Just let me use this one and OK. Okay, now it's making drawings. The difference between my style and other styles is that my style is giving you an assembly drawing, a 3D drawing, single part drawing, and a single plate, or also place in one drawing. So just click here and right click, show assembly drawing. You see everything is okay. As you see here, we have a 3D drawing, we have plates, we have single part, we have everything that you need in a drawing. So if you want to this drawing style, it's just only $150. So let me come back to my lesson today. As you see, we have a stiffener here. I'm sorry for that. This is one of my old model that I modeled. This one. You see, I have this this stiffener here, but in the drawings I am missing this stiffener. Why? Even at top, you see, I don't have this stiffener. Why? And how we can solve it? It's very easy. Sometimes when we are making and deleting making joints, after that deleting some parts of the joints, by mistake we delete the welding symbol here. As you see here, if we change this one, the purple one is the welding places. Yes, this purple points is a welding, but here I don't have this welding for this stiffener. Okay, so how can I fix this one? It's pretty easy, just by selecting these two elements, or even I can select base plate. I don't have any problem. I can just select it, and from objectives I can just click here from welding point, and I have to weld them. Okay, so just click here, and now for now let me close this drawing and update it again. If you go to output, from output, and now it should be it's not up to date. Yes, update required, so force update. Now it should be return this drawing. So just let me open it. Yeah, now you see this stiffener. We have this stiffener also. So that's very good. That's very good. Again, here we have every places. We have the even here we have the stiffener. But for the other side, we didn't weld. For the other side, for this side, we don't have. We don't have. If we have, we can again weld this one also. So this is the problem that commonly we have when we are modeling in advanced steel. The second one, let me try this one. Sometimes the first one, let me change back UCS to weld, and after that from front view I will change the UCS to view, so I can make some holes here. Sometimes when we want to make or when we have some holes, okay, just let me try out this one and make some holes so I can okay, for the distance numbers, let's 3, no, this is 2 and this is 3. Okay, again the same procedure. Let me from this point for this time, let's say 5. Okay, just after that I want to shift this to other side, and after that move them for something like here. Yeah, it's just like this. Okay, sometimes when we are going to make holes, you see here advanced steel takes this one top or bottom, other side is bottom. If this one top, this is bottom when we are making drawings. So let me update the drawing. After that we see together what I mean. Okay, just by double clicking I can open the drawing. As you see here, we have these two holes. From this single part we have we don't have this problem here. Okay, with my style, as you see here, this is my style. We don't have problems here. We have top and bottom. But sometimes we from top view we see the bottom holes also, and when we give it dimensions for it, it will give us the dimensions for the hidden holes also, that which make us to make mistake while we fabricate this one. So just let me close this one, and from my drawing style, my style is JSF, for example, this for this one JSF assembly or JSF assembly column. From front view or object presentation, you see holes. Okay, from holes, from visibility presentation, here is the hidden body is on. When hidden body hidden is on, it will give us let's say red. Okay, and just apply and use this one to make drawings like this. Okay, and after that simply drawing this one. As you see here, just like this, I have, this is the top one, but this is the bottom one. If you look at sometimes maybe we consider that both of the holes are in one side, but in fact it's not in one side. This one is in the side, and these are in another side, as is clear in a 3D view. Where's the 3D view? We don't have a 3D view because we didn't change this one to UCS. Just let me close this one and make this one a UCS, and after that sorry, this view, and after that I will use this this drawing style another time, just like this. Enter. The drawing number is 004. Okay, 004. Yeah, as clear in a 3D view, we have in two sides. We can just change back this to maybe 120, so as to be a little bit bigger. Okay, So as we see in two sides, but sometimes where maybe you are consider this in the same side, so it will give you maybe you mistake in the drawings. So that's why be sure that every time in the drawing styles that you have in the body hidden for the holes is turned off. It is turned off just like this, and we can say use, and we see the hidden holes will go, yeah, just like this. And this is the second one, which is a very useful technique for you. Another thing, if you want to make this triangle plate chamfer, you can just click here, and by clicking here, or we have two things: corner cut or bevel cut. This is the difference between them: is the corner cut to cut the corner, and this is the bevel for cutting one side. Okay, like a V, if you have V welding. Okay, for example, we don't know the exact dimension for this one, but we want to make this one triangle. I can write down 200 by 200, which is extra, but we have this problem. As you see, it's like this 200 by 200. Okay, so this is the first, the third technique that you want. And for the persons who bought my style, if you don't have a 3D, or if you make drawings and you don't have a 3D drawing, you have to just before making drawings, you have to just change UCS to view. Like this, it's not if when I'm making drawings, it will not give me a 3D view, but when I click here to give me an isometric view, and after that I will change it to UCS to view, and now when I'm making drawings, it will give me the 3D 3D drawing for this one. So this is the for today. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Thank you very much. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe my channel, and share this video also.